Historical Park and at the Wilderness Road Campground is what it's called. And we're gonna have a blast tomorrow. We'll swim on later Saturday or Sunday. So about an hour and a half out of Cumberland Gap. Time for a little uptime. We're walking on the trail, and I'm like 5 foot away from a turkey vulture. Oh man. It's so cool up here. It's like air conditioned. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Think about it though. You could make a nice, if you had to, survival. You can put a couple pieces of wood up the side of that, have a good little rain blocker, and you'd be set.
For sure. Honestly though, you couldn't leave this one I do that.